Yaba, Ikeja, Ikorodu, Oshodio, Aja, Mushin, Lekki. Something big don't land this August.
On Facebook, on YouTube is Wazobia FM. The name is still Church Smith. And of course, time for our recent evictees to speak the pidgin inside your Chukmau station. And I get, ladies first, of course, I get Lebaye inside the building. And I miss you so much. The way where Biggie, they take call your name. Hello, baby girl.
Hi, what's poppy?
So pretty. So that television not do justice to this beauty, man. No way.
I know, right?
We they go back inside the house. Come on. On flick, everything.
Thank you very much.
Hello, Khalid.
Hello.
And the same thing with you too.
Yeah.
You're so handsome.
Thank you.
No
so much.
wonder Daniela want break neck. Jesus Christ.
I mean,
And so you been there outside there single or what? Let's start from there.
yeah, I mean, they outside this single. Like,
Why you go there single?
because that was my choice.
It is not allowed.
It's not allowed.
All right, so we get the BBNaija season 7 recent evictees in the building, and of course you go fi send a message if you take just one or two because they get plenty places to go to. And make I start with you, Khalid. Now, yes, where I be they talk from? I say you been there single outside, or it's just that?
Yeah,
What
I
can happen?
was single outside, you know.
Somebody been give you breakfast, or
No, not at all, you know. I was just in a very different headspace at one point in time. You know,
I need to
TV
hear
days.
you very well.
Okay, you hear me?
Yeah.
You hear me now?
Okay, yeah, cool.
Oh, yeah, no. So I've been doing one kind of different headspace, and outside I've been just focus, you know, life they get serious. How, you know, babes no be waiting at the focus on right now. So yeah, definitely. Things be know they go as planned, you understand? So because the
I like how you talk, say babes no be waiting they focus on, and they come closer. So you now entered inside the house. You now come focus on.
the thing I said, it was very unexpected. You know, I always talk this thing. A hard guy way the fall pass. You know, because if you do hard guy, the thing will just come. You know, and as the thing been start, you know, it was very unexpected. It was
Yes,
very
because your eyes been there other places before.
my other
Yes,
places,
you get people. Be one make I dey mention names. You get people where
Okay.
you be the look.
no,
Daniela no actually be the first.
Actually, I wasn't even looking at anyone like based on the truth or dare we been play
Yes.
around that time, you know.
Yes.
I'm talking Ilebae and Daniela just to, you know.
I just want to make you mention the name. Thank you very much.
Oh, okay,
Hey, Baye, baby girl. So really, I must say again, you're beautiful.
Thank
And
you
I
very
like the video where two of una make when una come out. Now they look like twins for there. I don't know, Lagos, please. I'm not shipping, because somebody there inside the house, but I think I'm allowed to. Now, both of una look actually very good together. Now, make we talk about you, Baye. I don't know where you stand, but I love your vibe. Now, I want to know first of all, waiting be the role where you play between Chichi, Fina, and Groovy, and waiting you actually the target for that role where you play for them. Who ginger you to play that role? It's a whole lot of things where they see inside that mix, but please break them down for me.
Chamzi, now my person, because
Okay.
we be roommates.
Okay.
And she's now my friend.
Mhm.
Then Fina is also my level mate, and I literally like got to know her, and like we're vibing. So I don't know if I should call her a friend, but she's someone like I care about.
Mm-hmm.
And Groovy too is like someone I care about, like, you know, we're close and stuff like that. And I noticed Fina liked Groovy.
Okay.
And like I don't know if she could say it, but I think he knew about that. And as per now, he doesn't know. He didn't tell me he liked Chamzi at first.
Okay.
But he's always asking how far your roommate, tell me something about her. But the fact that he was always close to Fina, like, so I was expecting maybe he liked Fina, or like since they were always together, stuff like that. So I tried like, oh, we're up for eviction.
Okay.
I, Groovy, and Fina, let's just have fun. Like never can tell who is going home tomorrow.
So you don't want any intruder. You don't want anybody to separate a waiting go happen between Groovy and Fina.
Yeah, I wanted to make Elo Swag jealous
Yes.
at first, because you know he was like doing Fina anyhow. So I was like, who is he? Like, doesn't he know who she is? Like, why would you give a babe 1 week to come back and tell her if you're interested in her, stuff like that? I was like,
Yes.
don't worry, let's look for another man to make him jealous. He's going to feel hurt. So.
Now, I come they see some of that. You been they play you. See, baby girl, make I tell you, be like say you begin show yourself when the time don't day late. No, because that vibe where you bring in is like I don't want peace. I want war here right now. And tell me about you and Brian. Brian, what be the thing where they between you and Brian?
Nothing. Funny enough, I just like Brian's like a friend.
You they feel
I just wanted no. I never like liked him like feelings.
Yes.
Just vibes on vibes. Like let's catch. It's cold out inside. So
I
like
hear.
let's cuddle. Like let's do stuff. Not like let's do stuff, but like cuddle. Help me massage my back.
But you know, if you say inside that massage your back, things will happen.
And no, for me, I know myself. Like I can hold myself. If I want something to happen, obviously I will just like, okay, I want this.
But yeah, amongst all the guys who you feel really you want like do something with, if Naim tell him for him.
No, nobody. But like at the end of it, like that was when Dotuna came to the picture. Like that was like, not like do something with him, but I just wanted to like get to know him.
Yes.
Because I was like, oh, he likes me, and the fact that he was there for me on Saturday.
Okay.
Like he wanted like, oh, you're drunk, let's just have fun. Like he saw the fact that I was crying, and he just wanted to like put a smile. People like Dotun likes, and like, his body's hot. Like
you they speak pidgin at all?
I really don't know how to now. Why I just switch up?
All right. Because you they're comfortable in your Ghana. Hey. All right. So Khalid, back to you. Make a talk about the vibe between you and Hermes. Now, him be your guy, right?
Boy, yeah.
Yes. So tell me how you feel, because I see what thing happen inside that switch and the nomination and everything.
Yeah.
And tell me.
And as I be even hear my name, I've just had this smile.
It shock you?
It not shock me.
Okay.
Because people they ask, wait, Ingo, Beauty at one point in time, they talk, say, I know fit, they be guys. I was looking at like, you the cap. And as the thing be solved, I say, my guys, I don't fall out though. Anyhow, I still my guy, but I've been trying me to understand, say, me they know even hit the guy when not game. You know, as much as we be enter, we be the jig, we they relate. Everybody don't they close. Still not game. At the end of the day, now you be the individual. You just come on your own.
Yes.
For HOH, we feel they carry everybody. Build on say we want to stay together. For as long as possible. But at the end of we be individuals. I ain't come here to hustle. Everybody been come to us. So as in pick me, I don't say if I win that HOH, now the same thing what I go do. I go line them up like they come out like chicken. So sharp. So we ain't do what we need to do, and I respect him for that.
All right. So I follow for the people where they talk say if say the whole house they merge them together. I not sure say you and Baye supposed come out by now because you get una get game one they play. But Maka talk about you and Daniela. Yeah. You think say waiting happen between you and Daniela? All the cause all they cover us with duvet and all the movement even under the duvet. I don't understand. I'm a bit lost. Maybe go free help find me really. You think say now waiting make you come up by this time? People feel like say you be no show yourself. You show yourself on one side, but you no show yourself the other side.
I actually been show myself for like when people you talk to you show yourself for one side. Now inside game you go show yourself say you day game now. When nothing they happen when they sit down now on a normal gist and even for normal gist like I don't say between me and Daniela obviously now the cozy parts they go want the issue. We actually get deep conversation, talk about dreams, talk about ambition and all that. We talk about
how not talk about ambition. This is serious.
We talk about extensively, stuff we actually matter, but now BBN we did.
Yes.
You get waiting they find, you get waiting they look for. So people will actually go through that narrative. So now I know one just to explain on.
But how serious really you and Daniel are they really? Because within how many days?
When you enter
people they fall in love like that.
When you enter that house, one day, see the first day we enter, it be like 2 weeks. Wow. Like, I don't sabi these people already.
So it's the whole 24 hours thing. They see everybody.
I don't say the lights been there and everything. You don't feel know when nights don't come. Like everything is just the anyhow. And the thing I say, there's no estimated time to actually like somebody.
Okay.
You think that everybody, because this Gen Z with the form hard guy.
Was a marble from Khalid. So this thing, would they expect make things happen when she come out?
When people they talk, they expect me. I'll be very private person. I don't tell you anything. Me not think like that. But anyhow, yes, we want to continue.
How you they feel? Waiting to happen inside the house presently?
Yes. Okay, I haven't had a chance to actually.
You sure?
Yeah.
Or jealousy don't agree you?
No, I'm not actually a jealous person. I'm not a jealous person, and if anything, we actually talk about things because that house they do stuff.
So you go forgive anything if you
don't watch and all that. Definitely, if something's up here, your everything a choice. Anything you do a choice.
Who be your closest pals inside this house?
My closest pals say, it was Saif first.
Saif?
Yeah, Saif first. Then Beauty.
So how you feel when they?
Now I'm ping me. When Beauty come on, he ping me.
And Beauty Saif, again.
When Saif come on, I've been actually almost cry.
Like
I just got put my head down. Thing actually he hits me.
All right.
Expect that, boy. He's.
Vaye, I want to ask you. You think say Biggie no give you enough time to get to know Dotun more?
Low key, but I would have still been but like not like I like him, but I just.
But let's understand. It's not like you like him. Wait, you straight question, no.
Okay.
You feel like save more time been there. You and Dotun for day. closer than.
Yeah, would have been close pals. Like would have understood each other more. But like I don't know about the relationship aspect, but I'd have gotten to.
Why they from her girl like this?
No, it's not. But I have to like get to know you first, and like he's not really my spec, but like I like the fact that he's a calm guy.
He won't be your spec like that. So who be your spec inside that house?
Nobody.
The house filled up with people.
I know, right?
Not for biggie hand now.
I know, but like they only have the fine body, the physics, and the But like the thing
Shots
that
fired
can drag me to a man, like I didn't see anybody.
Waiting me those things.
And that was like one of the things is like how Dotun was really calm.
Yeah.
And like eager to get me. Like even if I think there was a time he asked me to like that he wants me, he likes me. I was like, oh, you have to do some certain things for me to know.
Like what? Waiting somebody if you do.
Like as a man, if you know waiting a girl, waiting the girl wants.
Waiting by a want.
If I tell you now, other
tell
people
me.
want do no. That
they go just want do am right.
Yeah, so I want genuine. So I want the one where if you do I know that.
Maybe go tell me off mic, right?
Sorry?
Maybe you go tell me when we don't finish.
Sure, now you now go. I feel respond.
Where does Ghana accent come from?
My English teacher is Ghanaian, and yes, I love Ghanaian. So I like when he's always teaching. Yeah, I've been to Ghana before, so like it's always. So I was like, okay, I'll have to like continue with this. I can't switch, so I just got used to the words and stuff. So.
Beautiful. Who be your best pal in the house? Not be the ones where you fight for. Tell me truly, who be the people where they feel inside our house?
Beauty, because like she was apart from the fact that we had this beef, she was literally like the person I thought like I knew.
You don't see her since you
come
out. You don't see her since you come out.
No, I haven't seen her.
Busy.
Like I knew like she got my back. Even the fact that I said I didn't want the friendship because of the fact that she didn't trust me, because I don't like when we're friends and you don't have this trust and you call me fake, hypocrite and stuff. I don't like it. I had to like distance. But when it comes to the friendship part, I felt like she really liked me genuinely and she got my back, and I could see that we were friends and we could even go like I knew that friendship tag that we're cool because similar, like we had similar things, dressing, looks, like mental stuff. She's blunt and blonde. We don't give F about what people say. So I felt like she like. Really
so where Baye they go now? Waiting what they expect from you. You're out. You've sent the word. Everybody knows you now.
Yeah, I want to sit down first and think about what Baye really wants.
Yes.
Then I'll start building my empire at this young age because I'm really young. So I want to like start my empire. I want to start getting the money and fix it. Then I also want to get my own orphanage home because before going to the house I like thought about building my own orphanage home for like the less privileged.
Okay.
So like even if they're hurricane, they'll have to like a home to go to because this world is not safe. So anybody I can help or assist, I will have to like help them to have shelter before they can afford their homes.
Awesome.
Then my acting career, I want to pursue it. Then my modeling, my design, then any deals, endorsements, anything that comes after it, like I'm open to any stuff. So.
A whole lot, darling.
Yeah.
Khalid, it brings us back to you. You'll be a designer, huh?
Yeah, I don't talk to her. She don't submit my list.
Yeah.
Okay,
so tell me.
Yeah, I might bring out the other scrolls.
Yes.
So there's a lot. I think I'll just talk about
the most important ones.
Yeah, sneaker design.
Sneakers.
Yeah, having before I go into the house, I was planning a brand with.
Can you speak small pidgin with me?
Okay. Before we enter house, I mean, get brand will be the plan with my guys. So as we come out now, definitely we'll go push that one.
Okay.
Basketball, I want
basketball.
Yeah. I'm big on basketball. And Popsy been play for college. Mom sister been play at one point in time. So I'm an offspring of the ball. So definitely I'll go do something with Hermes. Definitely on that one.
With Hermes.
Yeah, with Hermes.
Yeah. I love this energy.
Yeah.
We're both off on that.
Yeah.
The connect.
The guy is the real one. He's a real one. Affiliate marketing, helping other people's businesses grow,
Awesome.
Before I enter, I'll be the sell cars, the try.
You be the sell cars?
Yeah, the try stock, yeah.
You guys are balling.
Easy like that too. But not the hustle,
not the hustle, yeah, I know.
Even if not 10 naira, they hustle.
Yes.
Just at least never.
You get anybody wherever annoy you for that house?
Plenty times. Even this big girl where they sit down for you,
I know everybody now. They call me Pepe Body.
Oh, I miss her inside the house. She's supposed to shake plenty of now. Now she actually supposed to be a rider. How you feel, darling?
Guy, when I hear say big get rider, I feel like
Biggie,
you see me, you see if I just make me the right down and I'm even fit.
I
every piece
all of
the
them.
work like I for scatter.
You don't say Biggie they here. If he asks you to come back as a rider, how you go feel?
I will love the job. I'll be open to it.
Sharp.
Come, let me ride it on. I would. He'll be so excited. I'll be like, he will praise me the more because I'm gonna overdo the job.
Khalid. Now, you they root for?
Who are they root for?
Who you think say go carry that 100 million?
The 100 million.
Yes.
Okay. Definitely people go definitely want my talk. Daniela, obviously.
Baby girl, bring the cash. Both of us, please.
But I want her to win for her.
For her.
Yeah, for her.
Yes.
Because why she did it? In as much as people.
It's just now why Daniela did. They speak for yourself. Daniela feel come there for Khalid.
More, I just believe everybody become there for their own self, for their families, and
then love happen.
Yeah, and that one a life, not part of life.
But you see how funny life is. Una go there to win 100 million, and the next thing, love they happen.
Exactly. You never really know, because anybody, man plans, God laughs.
Okay.
So
what's a marble?
man plans, God laughs.
Okay.
And stuff like that. So aside her, definitely, I know say Fina strong. In as much as I care about everybody.
Yes.
Yeah. Brian too strong. Hermes strong. There's plenty of them way strong for there. So may the best man win.
Or somewhere they go follow you on social media platform.
Okay, on Instagram is the real Khalid _. On Twitter is Khalid Ahalu. For my Jos heritage, my people.
From Jos.
Yeah.
So many great people coming from Jos.
Oh
wow.
God, very talented.
All right. Bye you. Where they go follow you, and actually who you they root for? Who will win this money?
I will talk about the written.
Yes.
I have people I care about. So let the best man win. I have Fina, I have Dotun, I have Chamzi, I have Doi, I have Amaka. So I just want let the best of any of them wins, like any of them that win, like I'm really happy, like I'm going to be happy. But for now, I just have those people I care about, so let anyone win. And for my socials, Instagram, Ilebaye Odinia 1 for Instagram, Twitter Ilebaye Official, then TikTok Ilebaye Official 1, IG Ilebaye with 2 E's.
All right.
So.
Thank you guys for coming, and of course, till next time, enjoy yourself. Maybe when you be coming back again, maybe as a designer, or maybe you gonna come in as creative director or something.
Amen.
Yes. Lagos, I take this break. Next will be Women's Corner. No touch your dad.
Yaba, Ikeja, Ikorodu, Oshodio, Aja, Mushin, Lekki. Something big going on this August.
Wazobia Chukumat community. Oyame gather all the Wazobia fans. Come join body with Wazobia FM OLPs. Plenty games go day. Jolly Met go day. Hype go day. Dance go day. Question and answer go day. Giveaway go day. Everything yafun. All for you, our fans.
The date now 27th of August 2022. Time now 12 p.m. to 4 p.m.
The venue now Crystal Car Parking Center. We're there for Sabo inside Yaba for Lagos.
Wazobia Chukumat community. This one go loud. No misser.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You dey miss wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chukumat family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chup mouth.